Are you tired of staring in the mirror, feeling frustrated by stubborn belly fat that just won't budge? Or maybe you're looking for a natural way to boost your energy and finally reclaim that youthful vitality without breaking the bank on fancy treatments? You're not alone. And today, I'm here to help you discover 7 incredible detox drinks that can melt away that belly fat, especially if you're over 40. As we age, our bodies change, and so does our metabolism. But what if I told you that you can take charge of your health and transform your body naturally? Imagine feeling lighter, more energized, and confident in your own skin again. It's not just a dream, it can be your reality, and these detox drinks are powerful tools in your arsenal. Let's kick things off with a simple yet potent blend: lemon and ginger detox water. Both lemon and ginger are known for their fantastic detoxifying properties. This combination not only aids digestion but can kickstart your metabolism, setting you on the path to success. Just think about Grandma sipping her ginger tea. She always looked 10 years younger. Now moving on to our second drink: green tea and apple cider vinegar. Green tea is famous for its antioxidants and can help rev up your metabolism, while apple cider vinegar can support weight loss by reducing hunger. Imagine using this everyday drink to not only stay hydrated, but to also feel less bloated and more vibrant. That's a win-win. For the third drink, let's talk about cucumber-infused water. Cucumbers are hydrating and low in calories, making them a star player in any detox regimen. Picture yourself reaching for a refreshing glass of this during those hot summer days, feeling refreshed and watching your waistline shrink gradually. Plus, who doesn't feel like $1,000,000 when they're hydrated? Next up, we have the delightful blend of pineapple and mint. Pineapple contains bromelain, which aids digestion, while mint can help soothe your stomach. Think about those beach vacations where you felt carefree and light. This drink can bring a touch of that bliss into your daily life. And don't forget about beetroot juice. Beetroot can improve blood flow and help with weight loss. Imagine blending up a beautiful, vibrant drink that not only tastes great, but also gives you that extra kick of motivation throughout your day. It's nature's way of giving you a little boost. What about a cayenne pepper detox drink? Yes, you heard me right. A small dash of cayenne in warm water can blast your metabolism while promoting detoxification. This spicy drink can elevate your energy and keep you warming up from the inside out, just like that invigorating morning run you used to enjoy. Finally, the grand finale: a simple lemon, honey, and warm water blend. This classic concoction is not only soothing, but can kickstart your day and energize you for hours. Imagine waking up with a renewed zest for life, feeling lighter and ready to take on anything. Now, if these drinks can help you reclaim your energy and confidence, wouldn't you want to give them a shot? Start incorporating them into your routine and watch the transformation unfold over days and weeks. You're on the verge of realizing a healthier, more vibrant you. Thank you for tuning in to this journey towards a healthier lifestyle. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up, leave your questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Health Alert Remedies, for more empowering natural health tips. Together, let's embrace a thriving life, one glass at a time.